I'm like a really big believer in chosen family, and I feel like the audience at Colors in a way is like an extension of my chosen family, and just being able to get my story out there and connect with folks has been really important to me.
For 10 years now, Colors has continued to provide free and unlimited mental health services to young people who are LGBTQ identified. The service we provide is just allowing young people a place to express what's going on with them, who they are, who they feel like they're becoming.
I personally grew up in Idaho, and I would have loved to have an organization like Colors that is there for you, that gives you resources, basically is there to help you during a really critical time of your life.
Most kids don't have support and the support that they need to be successful, especially as they transition from middle school to high school to college, and beyond. And so being able to provide that support has been extremely valuable.
If I can be any positive part of a young person's life and their experience and their coming out experience, I think that's amazing, and I'm glad that I could have been there for that.